Foundation Level Objective 4.5.3 K3. Use acceptance test-driven development (ATDD) to derive test cases. In the following questions, they usually ask you to find a test case that matches any of the acceptance criteria. First question. Consider the following user story. As an editor, I want to review content before it is published so that I can assure the grammar is correct and its acceptance criteria. The user can log into the content management system with editor role. The editor can view existing content pages. The editor can edit the page content. The editor can add markup comments. The editor can save changes. The editor can reassign to the content owner role to make updates. Which of the following is the best example of an ATDD test for this user story? A. Test if the editor can save the document after edit the page content. This seems correct. Two acceptance criteria are covered in this test. One relates to document editing and the other relates to saving changes. B. Test if the content owner can log in and make updates to the content. No acceptance criteria regarding the content owner here. This is wrong. C. Test if the editor can schedule the edited content for publication. Wrong. No acceptance criteria about scheduling. D. Test if the editor can reassign to another editor to make updates. Again, no acceptance criteria for reassigning tasks to another editor. The correct answer is A. Second question. Your team analyzes the following user story in order to define the acceptance criteria. As a registered customer, I want to be able to view my previous orders on the company's website so that I can keep track of my purchases. Which of the following test cases will not be relevant for this user story? So, we are looking for an invalid test case. A. Input. The customer logs into their account on the website and clicks the See Order History button. Expected output. The system shows a list of all the customer's previous orders, including the date, order number, and total cost. This is a valid test case as it is related to viewing previous orders in the order history. B. Input. The customer clicks on an order from the order list. Expected output. The system displays the individual items purchased along with their prices and quantities. This is also a valid test case related to viewing previous orders. C. Input. The customer clicks Sort Ascending button on the order history screen. Expected output. The system shows the order history sorted by order number in ascending order. This test case is also valid and related to viewing previous orders in the order history. D. Input. An unregistered customer registers as a new customer with a valid email address that does not already exist in the customer database. Expected output. The system accepts the registration and creates the account. The test case is related to the registration process, which is not related to our user story. Correct answer is D. Third question. You are using acceptance test-driven development and designing test cases based on the following user story. As a regular or special user, I want to be able to use my electronic floor card to access specific floors. Acceptance criteria. AC1. Regular users have access to floors 1 to 3, that means 1, 2, and 3. AC2. Floor 4 is only accessible to special users. AC3. Special users have all the access rights of regular users. Which test case is the most reasonable one to test AC3? So we are looking for a test case in which we can check if special users are treated the same way as regular users. They should have access to floors 1, 2, and 3 as in AC1. A. Check that a regular user can access floors 1 and 3. Wrong. This is related to AC1. B. Check that a regular user cannot access floor 4. Wrong. This is also related to AC1. C. Check that a special user can access floor 5. Wrong. The user story didn't mention floor 5 and has nothing to do with AC3. D. Check that a special user can access floors 1, 2, and 3. This is correct. Fourth and last question. You have just started designing test cases for the following user story. As a customer, I want to be able to filter search results by price range so that I can find products within my budget more easily. Acceptance criteria. 1. The filter should work for all versions of the application from version 3.0 upwards. 2. The filter should allow the customer to set a price range with a minimum and a maximum price. 3. The search results should update dynamically as the customer adjusts the price range filter. In all test cases, the precondition is as follows. There are only two products available, products A and B. Product A costs $100 and product B costs $110. Which of the following is the best example of a test case for this user story? This is a good question. Test cases should be related to the acceptance criteria. A. Enter web page and set filter to show prices between $90 and $100. Expected result. Results show product A only. Set maximum price to $110. Expected result. Results now include both products A and B. This is correct. The test case verifies acceptance criterion 2, set the range, and acceptance criterion 3, update the search results automatically. B. Enter web page. Expected result. The default minimum and maximum prices are $100 and $110 respectively. This is not correct. There's nothing in the acceptance criteria related to the default values when we open the web page. C. Enter web page and set filter to show prices between $90 and $115. Expected result. Results show both products A and B. Change currency from USD to Euro. This is also not correct. There's nothing in the acceptance criteria related to changing the currency. D. Enter web page with 3 different browsers: Edge, Chrome, and Opera. Not correct. There's nothing in the acceptance criteria related to changing the browser. Correct answer is A.